Today we're going to talk about challenges, and the word to deal with challenges is called resilience. Who would know what resilience means? Yes.
Perseverance.
Perseverance is a good word. Almost right. Almost right. Not giving up. Resilience means not giving up, and in a short way of saying it, it's called learning to bounce back from a difficulty. To bounce back. What Yontif are we about to celebrate where we were on the 49th level of Tumah, the 49th level of spiritual distance from Hashem, spiritual blockage from Hashem, and we were able to bounce back to serve Hashem? What Yontif? Pesach, which is our next holiday, right? Give me another example of
Willpower.
willpower. Please write that down. Willpower. Another example. Yes.
Only look forward. Don't look at understand.
Excellent. Only look forward. Don't look back. Please go write that down. Good midos to get there in the first place, because you have to call upon your... Write that down. Go write that down. Two of you have to run together up to this line. You have to jump in the air and then land at the same time. If you land not at the same time, you don't get a point. If you land on the same time, exactly the same time, and Dr. Carter will be the judge and Rabbi Sheff will be the judge, then you get a point, and you raise your hand and tell me yes, and I'll give them a point. If not, they don't get a point. Go. And let's see whether the Anivus team can bounce back and be resilient from your 11th to 8th second place finish. On your mark, get set, go. I need to understand here how this 6th grade is going to be able to understand to bounce back. Let's say something didn't go your way. It didn't turn out right. Anivus team came second twice. You got the silver medal. The gold medal, silver medal. But you would have liked to get the gold medal. You didn't get the gold medal, you got the silver medal. So how is it that you're going to negotiate that and say, well, I think it should be fixed? Or let's say you get a 87 in a Gemara Bechina and you really feel you got a 92. How do you negotiate that and suggest that? How do you react? How do you bounce back from that if you want to negotiate?
We protest.
Oh, you go protest. We protest, okay? That's very...
That's what we do.
What you do is you protest. That's extremely honest. I really respect your honesty. A lot of groups, what were you doing? Practicing. And not only to practice, but you were also... You discussed it. You said, let's do it this way. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And you practiced. So you want to bounce back, you have to practice. You have to discuss. And when you want to come back to somebody, an adult, and you want to negotiate something better, how do you do it? What's the right way to do it? To protest?
No.
Is that the way to bounce back? No. Then how do you do it properly?
I asked my rabbi if it's possible that he misunderstood my answer.